What's up, captains? My name's Griffin, and I hope you're all having a really great day, and I hope you're being productive in your business endeavors, whatever it might be. If this is your first time on my channel, then welcome. I focus mostly on business and entrepreneurship. Right now I'm focusing mostly on Amazon FBA, so building up that business, but I also talk about Shopify dropshipping and cryptocurrency mining. So if that interests you, smash the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I have a new post. In my last couple videos, I've been talking about how I'm documenting the start of my Amazon FBA business. So I'm starting at zero and I'm building it up. And guys, it has been 1 week officially that I've launched my first product on Amazon, and I wanted to give you guys an update, talk about what my launch strategy was, and yeah, I hope that this brings you guys some value. So let's get right into the video. Also, before I go any further, I've started an Amazon FBA Facebook group, so if that interests you, networking with other like-minded people, then check out the link in the description. It's totally free. I don't ask for your email address or anything. It's literally just a place to network with other people who are interested in the same things as you. If you haven't checked out my last video, then I highly suggest you do. In that video, I talk about my philosophy around product research as a beginner on Amazon, someone who's launching their first product and who has a limited budget. So as opposed to other product research methods, I'm going towards something that has less competition in order to rank faster, get more sales, build up your business, and then expand into other products. So if that interests you, there's a link right here. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so it's officially been 1 week that I launched my product on Amazon, and actually it was last Monday at around 10 p.m. so it's been just under 1 week exactly, and things are going pretty well. I wanted to give you guys an update, so let's look at my Amazon seller account. So here is my Amazon US seller account. As you can see, I have is it gonna focus? $532 in sales. I had to bring the luminosity down because it was too bright for the screen. You couldn't see anything. But yeah, so as mentioned in my last video, I ordered 200 units initially as my first batch for this product, and it's been on the market for 1 week exactly. And I only got, guys, listen to this, okay? I only got my first review. By the way, right now I have 2 reviews. I only got my first review 2 days ago. So I had my product for 5 days on Amazon, and I got to page 1 within 1.5 days with 2 sales. So that is the power of having launching a product that has less competition, but because as soon as you get a couple sales, you rank higher every time that you make a sale. So for example, I was on page 8 when I started, and then I got 1 sale. It bumped me like 3 pages for my first keyword, and within 3 sales I was already on page 1. Now I wasn't the top listing, but now that I have, I think, 20 sales, that's what it says on the app, I have 20 sales, I am just under the first product for my main 3 keywords. So that's super awesome, guys. I'm really excited to see what the next month brings for me. I'm probably gonna have to do a new order of my product from China so that it arrives in time to not have my product out of stock for too long, if any time at all. Because I decided to take a product that was less competitive than other products, my launch strategy was a lot simpler than many other products and many other sellers that I've talked to on Facebook and on YouTube, because they have to go and have thousands of sales, well, maybe thousands, but if not hundreds of sales in a really restrained amount of time in order to show Amazon's algorithm that it's a product that's desired, and so that they rank them on the first or second page for a given keyword. If we break that down in terms of cost, my product shipped and landed in America cost about $10 US per unit, which is quite a bit in my opinion, but it's a product that I'm selling for about $30. So if I were to match the 2 competitors that I have, where they have about 30 sales per day, I would have to give away about 30 products at $10 each, so that's $300 worth of product for about 3 days. So that would be a total of $900 or more just in giveaways in order to rank my product on the first page. But because there aren't that many competitors, I was able to rank my product just on organic sales, even though there weren't many of them, organic sales onto the first page within a couple days. And I think that that's really powerful and shows to what extent product research is really important for seasoned sellers as well as beginner sellers, but especially beginner sellers, because As I said in most of my other videos, a lot of us have found out about Amazon FBA on YouTube and on Facebook groups, and we immediately think that we have to have a product that has thousands of sales per month, which could be great, but you have to look at Amazon FBA as a business that you're growing. So you need to take into consideration your marketing, your finances, you need to do bookkeeping. It's not as simple as it seems, and if you start with a product that has less competition, it might be less stressful for you to launch the product, and it'll be more rewarding to have sales in your first week as opposed to spending thousands of dollars on giveaways or viral launch, which is like $500 just to have the potential to sell a lot of products and rank on the first page. Again though, this is just my personal opinion, and you can disagree with it all you want. That's totally fine, it's your decision, but I'm trying to help you guys out, especially the people in my Facebook group that have personally asked me questions about product research and if I think certain products would be beneficial for them to start with, because a lot of people have asked me, oh, can I start with $500, $1,000? And although I have only launched my first product on Amazon, I've been in business for a while. I have a university degree in marketing and entrepreneurship, so I have a good general sense of business and what you should be looking for when you're doing product research. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I would love to hear your comments about my strategy and about what your strategy is for launching a new product on Amazon. So if that interests you, leave a comment down below. I'll answer all of them, and I hope to hear from you guys. And lastly, please, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button. It really helps me out, guys, to release new content for you. And also let me know what you'd like to see in the future. I'm thinking of doing a full series on Amazon FBA, even though there's a lot of videos already out on YouTube. I'd like to give my perspective on most of them, like creating a listing, creating a shipping plan, what the different shipping types are, etc., etc. So if that's something that interests you, stay up to date with my channel. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video.